What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an awesome holiday, Christmas, Festivus, whatever you celebrate. I hope that you're in the company of friends and family, the people that you love, and all of the things that you love. We've got Akio decked out in some Christmas HKS filters. Got the Salmon Christmas sweater on. All I want for Christmas is car parts. There's truth to that. Today we're gonna look at building a custom catch can for Reyna for the 4-door. Jay started by doing some cardboard engineering and it turned into a really cool catch can. I think that's a good look. We should just leave it cardboard and painter's tape. Put some shop towels in there just to soak it up a little bit.
It'll work.
Yeah. It's like arts and crafts with Jay.
It is. It's almost like we have a box. Then I just gotta build like a weird triangle piece right here, you know, to that. And then this is also a weird piece. If I was really good with angles, I'd be able to like just put a bend in a piece and get it, but
fair enough.
even though I did really well in school for math, I'm just like,
All right, we're all done.
Finished!
It's a thing of beauty.
Yeah.
I feel like before you take it apart, you should roll it like a dice.
4.
I don't know what that
the
is.
fuck? That's 2.5.
I think that's 5. It's both. It's 2 and 3. All right, we'll do it again.
1.
All right, you win.
Let me take this off first.
And at this point, we realized that somehow the can had grown from the original cardboard model. So Jay had to shave off an entire side, re-weld it to get it to fit. Now we're just drawing stripes on it.
Racing stripes. Make it faster.
Perfect. It's too big.
It's too big. Oops.
Tyler and Jordan ended up coming over and we were talking about Tyler's car and some of the funny things that were on it when he bought the car. There was a sock zip tied to one of his intercooler pipes. There is a glove that was zip tied to like some wiring and just some funny things like that. We don't know if that happened in Japan or if the first US owner of that car did some of those things, but it's pretty interesting. You know, it's part of the story of that car, part of its legacy.
Charge bike. Like I don't understand.
Zip tied on there?
Zip tied.
Wow. It was just chilling in the middle of the pipe. Wasn't by any coupler. Wasn't by a wear spot.
I mean, that's where I'd want to put all my dirty laundry too. Let's just zip tie it to the car.
It's James making sure the car remembers him.
It's a horsepower sock.
James making sure the car remembers him.
Yeah.
Fast as possible on the way to work.
I don't think he did much of it, if anything, to this thing.
Yeah, it fits nicely now.
Yeah. Had to window out a chunk of it.
I mean, if we're gonna do it once, might as well do it twice, right?
Right? Yeah.
Here's how it sits right now. It's not 100% done. The top is just tack welded along here because we're waiting for the two -10 AN bungs to weld onto here. And then Jay's gonna finish up the baffling inside. But everything else is welded up, ready to go. The drain down there. He is going to add a sight along here. And then once it's all done, it's going to be painted wrinkle black. And yeah, it came out really, really good. Nice tight fit. We ended up putting these Phase 2 Motorsport belts on here. They're reinforced belts. The blue is just, it clashes way too much. So these belts are gonna go on that car since that one has a blue theme. And we're gonna get some black belts on this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun to get the catch can made. The next video, we'll get the catch can finished up, hopefully get the new belts on, a few other various things. I appreciate you tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, share it with your friends. Let's grow this thing. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.